Can you believe this is my first homemade vegan pizza? Jimmy Vegan is the name, food and travel is my game. Pizza is its own food group. I was absolutely addicted to pizza before I went vegan, and trying to find a good vegan pizza option was damn near impossible. But this pizza, it's so simple, it's so easy. It has basically, 4 ingredients? It's gluten-free with the cauliflower crust that I picked up from Trader Joe's, by the way. So let's get into it. The crust, cauliflower, pasta sauce, liquid mozzarella. I was highly skeptical of this, by the way, but let me tell you, it's actually the star of this pizza. I love certain types of vegetables, so I just wanted to put the vegetables on the pizza that I love, which are spinach and mushrooms. It's that easy. I did toss the mushrooms though in some olive oil and some seasoning just to give them some flavor, because you know mushrooms are dry, so they soaked up the oil and the seasoning. You pop this baby in the oven, you take it out, and it's actually really good. I was highly surprised. The crust is the thing that I was worried about. Cauliflower crust sometimes can taste like cardboard. This, however, did not. This now is my new favorite pizza go-to recipe. It's savory, it's cheesy, it has a nice texture, the crust is firm but not too crispy that you can't bite into it and enjoy it. I enjoyed every bite of this pizza. Want more easy and delicious plant-based recipes? Grab my 10 favorite recipe pack. It's the first link below in the description.